In this video, our primary focus will be on the shoulder and neck muscles. We believe that the most effective way to address these muscles when massaging without a massage table is through massage in a seated position rather than lying prone. This approach offers better accessibility to these muscle groups and alleviates the need for excessive bending over. However, there are still effective techniques that we can use for targeting the shoulder muscles while the client is in a prone position. We start with the descending hands technique, beginning at the neck and applying pressure while moving downward towards the arms, covering the entire shoulders. As you ascend, be sure to reduce the pressure. We apply less pressure on the way back up to prevent excessive congestion towards the head, as this can cause discomfort and may even lead to headaches for some individuals. The pressure you apply should be from pushing down into the muscle tissue with the edge of your hand, utilizing your pinkies. If you want to concentrate more on the shoulders themselves, you can employ a similar technique using one hand. In doing so, you can squeeze the muscle tissue between your thumb and hand, while making a stroke towards the arm. Make sure you avoid bending over too much to prevent strain on the neck.